just take a look at this one, brief lang. Kasi this one is just an extension of what we have learned. So you have equations, x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and z represent the yz plane, xz plane, and xy plane, respectively. So these are actually special planes in your 3D. So these are some theorems for you to relearn. If n is a given non-zero vector and p sub 0 is a given point, then the settable point p for which we have this vector and n are orthogonal is defined to be a plane having n as a normal vector. So you have a point p sub 0 and you have a normal vector a, then equation of the plane is this. So ito yung binigay ko kanina sa inyo, na? Let's try to recall that one. Nag-summarize na tayo. So here are some exercises. 0. 1 is find an equation of plane containing the point p21, -1, having the normal vector n. Number 2 is this. Up to number, hanggang anong number ito? Let me just see. Lines and space. So there are 4 numbers. And then this is on planes, then on lines in space. Again, this is a summary of what we have learned earlier. Ito yung inyong mga equations. So you can go through that one again. So we have your parametric equation, your symmetric equation, and then tawag dito are your direction numbers. So this is the other one. 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 numbers. 4 up to 5. Palit ito ng 5. Pero ang solve lang ninyo is 1, 2, 3 lang dito. Okay? So yung kanina, 1 to 4 plus hanggang 1 to 3. No need to solve. You don't have to solve number 4 and 5. If you want to do it as an exercise, okay lang. No? But ang required lang na ipasubmit ko is yung kaninang 1 to 4. Ito 0 to 4. So bali 5 numbers pa rin pala ito. So 8 numbers lahat. No? 0 to 4. And then the other one, 1, 2, and 3. So, bali 8 numbers lahat. That will be due. So, on February 21, we're going to discuss already topics on cylinder surfaces of revolution. Ako, February 21 pala dapat yan. Kasi sa 24, meron pa kayong isang activity. Okay? So, that will be due on February 21. Anyway, you have the weekend to do that. So, February 21, then the next one will be on February 24. You start watching the recorded lectures on cylinders and surfaces of revolution para hindi kayo masyado mabigla kasi medyo ano yun, no? Sketching kasi yung next topic. Okay? So, let me just post. Ito na lang muna i-post ko para sa activity ninyo. Nasa ano naman na? Sa mole. Let me just check it there. Let us take a look at your mole. Here. So, it's at mole naman na. So, here you have your exercises. 7A. So, examples. Ito. Tapos, di ba may sketching doon? May sketching. So, sa sketching, nandito yung video, recorded video, as a reference for sketching. So, ang sketching na video, you have to watch that para makasketch kayo. Is that clear? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, 7A lines and planes with exercises. Ito. Nandito naman na. Let me just show it to you yung PDF copy. Ito. So, due siya. So, page. Nasa anong page siya? 4. Page 4. Let me just write it down para... Page 4. Page 4. And so, 0 to 4. And the other one, so nasa lecture 7A siya. The other one is on page 7 from 1 to 3. 1 to 3. So exercise, ito wag na pala. Para 8 numbers lang lahat. So we are done for our lecture for today. But you still have to watch. The remaining time will be for you to watch the following. The following. You have to watch this example 2A about plane containing these points and this line and this one. And itong graphing of planes, equations of lines, may mga additional dito na mga references. So the remaining time will be for you to watch this. Okay? So isulat ko saan ko sulat ang inyong assignment. Dito na kayo magsasubmit ng activity ninyo, no? So I'll write down your activity. Pero before the exam siguro, isulat ko na lang dito para hindi masyado mahirap hanapin kung saan ilagay. So exam is scheduled on February 26 from 2 to 5 p.m. Okay na yan? So ang coverage ng exam will be hanggang dito, ito. So you can start watching the rest para kasi ang next topic natin ito. Ano yung next topic natin? Cylinders and surfaces of revolution. So we'll start with 8A. Ang 8A, meron siyang video. So you can, during the weekend, kung may time kayo, you can watch this video ahead. Pati itong mga to. Para pag lecture ko, kung may mga questions kayo regarding this topic, active na kayo during our class kasi napanood nyo naman yung mga preview ng topic natin. Any more questions or clarification before we go? Baka akala nyo mabilis tayo. We are actually slow, ha? Kasi dapat in a week, dapat mag-render tayo ng how many hours? How many hours dapat? Hello? Are you still with me? Napagod na kayo. Ilang hours dapat?
8 hours per week.
8 hours
4 hours. Ay, batching tawag
Really,
na.
8 hours. Kasi kwan tayo. Batch 1, batch 2 tayo. So yung 4 hours na nire-render natin, na 2 hours, 2 hours, the remaining 4 hours are for you to watch all the recorded lectures. At saka, kung tutuusin, yung 8 and 8 is actually kulang pa yun kasi pag regular SEM, di ba, mag-study pa mampod mo. So, mag-render pa at least another 4 hours. So, that's why nire-record ko na yung iba para ano na. Any more questions before we go? Before I leave you? Wala na? Klaro na siya? I will give you your activity. Sulat ko, i-type ko na lang dito para makita. Already have to submit activities? Dapat, alam niyo na, you can actually i-handwritten yung solution, take a picture, tapos i-submit sa submission bin. Please do not be late kasi may bawas pag late ang mga activities. I give the activities at least mga maximum of 1 week, so or less than that. In this case, less than yung mga activities kasi dapat matagal na natin ginawa, but because of yung late tayo nag-start, yung activities nyo is medyo hindi na 1 week yung time. Ngayon lang naman. Let me just take a look at all of you now. Paki-open ang cam para sa one last check of attendance natin before we go. Paki-open ang cam, please. Stop na tayo ng recording. Stop recording.